So there's many ways to bring in images. You can XREF them in as JPEGs, but you can also bring them in as OLE objects. So they're static, and then you can set their graphics plot quality. And so to do this, you can open up a Paint or Paint 3D. I'm just going to use Paint and just create an image, or you can open up an existing image. And then you can go ahead and select the information or the image that you want. And so I'm just going to go ahead and make a big window of the area that you want. And then you can like make it bigger or smaller or whatever you want to do. And then you can just copy it. And then you can go into AutoCAD and do Control V, or you can come up and paste it. And then that's going to paste that image within here.